Listen and repeat. You will hear 7 sentences. Listen to each sentence carefully. After the beep, repeat the sentence out loud. You have 7 seconds.
Hello. Welcome to the card office. Let us activate your new student card. Please place your card on the scanner to begin the process. You must enter your 4-digit PIN code on the screen. The light will turn green when your card is finally ready. Remember that you should always carry this card when you are on the university campus grounds. If you ever lose your card, please come back to this office to request a brand new replacement.
Take an interview. An interviewer will ask you 4 questions on a single topic. Listen to each question carefully. After the beep, give your spoken answer. You have 30 seconds per question.
Thank you for joining me today. Think back to the last time you downloaded or played a new online game or app that you found particularly interesting. Perhaps a puzzle game, a social media tool, or a fitness tracker. What was the experience like when you first started using it, and why did it capture your attention? People have very different relationships with their apps. Some people use them constantly throughout the day to stay busy, while others try to limit their usage to specific times. How do you usually manage your time with online games and apps, and why do you prefer that approach? Now I'd like your opinion on app usage. Some people argue that playing games on a phone is a great way to relax and reduce stress, while others feel it is a waste of time that should be spent on more productive activities. What is your perspective on this? Do you think they are beneficial? One last question. Do you think schools or companies should have policies to restrict the use of certain games and apps during work or study hours? For example, should they block access to non-essential apps to improve focus? Why or why not?